It is a fortress on wheels, a 7-ton titan built to survive a war zone while carrying the president in absolute silence. They call it the Russian Beast. But before it guards the Kremlin, it must be forged from fire and steel. Today, we take you inside the classified NAMI facility to witness the birth of the Aurus. The heart of this beast is born in a dark foundry. We take raw aluminum and melt it down until it becomes a glowing orange liquid, hot enough to burn through almost anything. Workers pour this liquid into sand molds. Once it cools down, they smash the sand away to reveal the rough V8 engine block. But raw metal isn't enough. Giant computer-controlled drills shave the metal down with perfect precision to create the cylinders. This is a modern monster.
This is the raw, unpainted boron steel survival capsule.
Most cars start as a frame. This car starts as a bunker. We receive sheets of military-grade boron steel, metal so hard it destroys standard drill bits. Robots weld these plates into a sealed survival capsule. Before a single piece of luxury trim is added, we install the armored firewall and the blast-proof floor pan. This steel cocoon is designed to withstand landmines, grenades, and armor-piercing rounds. It is the skeleton of a tank. With the armor complete, we hide it. Giant hydraulic presses stamp the elegant steel body panels that cover the ugly truth of the armor underneath. Using laser brazing technology, the roof and sides are fused into a seamless shell. The body is then dipped in an electrically charged anti-corrosion bath, ensuring that even the harsh Russian winter cannot rot the steel. A state car must be flawless. The painting process begins with ostrich feathers dusting the metal. Then, robots apply layer after layer of deep, abyssal black paint. After the clear coat is applied, the car enters the zebra tunnel. where inspectors use light reflections to hunt for imperfections smaller than a human hair. It isn't finished until the paint looks like liquid oil.
Look at this finish. We use these zebra lights to find imperfections smaller than a human hair. If it isn't a mirror, it is rejected.
Inside the beast, silence reigns. Craftsmen select the finest Russian pale ash wood, slicing it into paper-thin veneers. The leather is Napa, hand-stitched by seamstresses who spend hours on a single steering wheel. We install the digital dashboard and the massive 6-centimeter thick bulletproof glass. These windows are so heavy, they require hydraulic lifts instead of electric motors. Inside, it feels like a private jet. Outside, it is impenetrable.
Six-centimeter thick glass, hydraulic windows. In here, you are completely cut off from the chaos outside. It is absolute silence.
The moment of truth, the marriage. The massive 7-ton body is lowered onto the hybrid chassis. Huge bolts lock the frame to the suspension. We install the 20-inch run-flat tires, which allow the car to escape the kill zone even if shredded by gunfire. Fluids are filled, the battery is connected.
Capsule held perfectly here, only surface charring.
Confirmed. Minimal spalling on the forward section.
I'm seeing some minor corrosion starting right here on the brake line.
Yes, agreed. We should document that immediately.
Manifest and authorization codes, please.
Verified. All secure, Comrade Major.
Open the gate!
Arriving at the Spasskaya Tower, the truck enters the special purpose garage. Federal Protective Service officers perform the white glove inspection, checking for bugs or sabotage. They load the trunk with the emergency medical blood bank and secure the hidden weapon compartments in the doors. The comms officer encrypts the satellite link. The car is now a mobile situation room.
Доложите обстановку.
Обстановка стабильная, продолжаем движение.
7 tons of diplomacy and steel. This is the Russian beast. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe